what is this? Donnie, what is your license plate?
Didn't learn your lesson with the police?
Dude, what are the neighbors doing?
They're actually crazy over there. They're doing a striker deal over there. They caught half of a Mustang.
There's a half of a Mustang in the bed of their truck.
There's a GT500 over there. No title, no VIN number, all scratched off. Gonna get a full 80-20 swap. We'll go run over there real quick. Our neighbor won't know. He's a little local, like go in his front yard, record all the cars that he has over there. He actually has an RT. 2 GT500s. Nobody knows about us, only us. Quail Creek Road it is. We actually got to run over there because this guy over here that we're passing by, he likes to shoot. He gets a little aggressive, so we're going to go record the GT500 over there and let y'all know. All these striker cars that he has over here. GT350, Scion FRS. He actually has a, what is that, an RS, Focus RS. And then another GT350 quarter. Rolling?
Yeah, we rolling, bro.
All right, here's the GT500. Don't get too close, cause like Bobby John might get mad at us. So I don't know. Hold on, let me show him real quick.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, yeah. Here's the GT500. It's all D badged actually. It has 5.0 badges on it because we don't want nobody to know it's a 500. There's the damage in the rear, and the other side also has some damage, and that's the 2080 that's gonna happen on this bad boy. So she's gonna get cut right there actually. It got a fat supercharger in there, fat blower, you know, something like that. Hey, tell them how she sounds. How does it sound? She do sound like that. She is beautiful, ruby red. Ruby Ronnie over here is gonna buy it maybe. And she actually will get VIN swapped, so keep that on the D low, you know. We got another striker build right here. There's actually Pops is rebuilding this one. It's gonna be an off-road beast. I'm gonna run through this guy's property again because he might start shooting. He likes to get aggressive sometimes. I'm running out of stamina. We gotta go pay. Oh, Bobby. All right, where was I at? This is what a $20 paint job looks like with the $599 Harbor Freight gun.
Rolling.
All right, use code Donnie LLC for the Harbor Freight gun. You'll get it for $5.99. Usual price is $25.99. The actual clear coat I had to pay for. I paid $10.99 for that and $5.99 for the gun. So that's a total of $16 right there. 10 plus 6, that's $16. All right, and the other 4 came with the polish and buff. I actually did not do that. I paid my buddy $4 to do that one. All right, pause the fucking video.
As I was working on the Blackwing, a little situation happened.
Bobby Jr. Well, don't buy a rim. I tell you what, 40's on top. Turn it.
I can.
All right. Hold on. Point it down. Or up.
I see it. Hold on.
All right, press the lock.
Yeah.
There we go. That's how you break into a Dodge rim. Hit me up if you want a free rim. I'll do you all that good. $20. And then I will program a new key for you for $30. All right, guys, this is the Mustang that I paid $20 for the bumper. We're gonna put the bumper on. Got a little cat over here. All right, we gotta go put in the rear seats because I don't know who owned this car before me, but there was a couple stains and who knows what they were doing.
The next day.
Hey, how do you like your Corvette that you purchased? You loving it or not?
Oh, that shit blew up.
Damn, dude. I mean, we did sign the sold as is paper, so you can't do nothing about it.
Yeah, but lost a friend after that.
Nah, you're still here. You at the shop. Oh.
You can apply it.
Ew. Ew, that's disgusting. Bro, what is that?
Later that night.
You launched it twice and this happened?
Boy, the whole day I was just dropping the clutch though.
Here, Donovan, what happened?
We got a custom bracket that I don't know what the hell is, but
Okay, so he heard a funny noise and then that shit wouldn't really engage good and stuff. And he's like, what's going on? And the pressure plate,
it just snapped.
the pressure plate just snapped off the rivet and it bent out. Show him your transmission.
Let's go show him, man. Bought this a Striker, King Striker from ATO. Don't do business with us. Look at this.
It's scraped the inside.
Let me show you what's over there.
Scrape that transmission.
Look at that transmission. They messed it up. It's okay though. We just gonna
Set up, dude. Right. Go. Alright guys, so after that footage of the GT500 that our neighbor sent us, we don't have no more footage and the car's gone. A tow truck came and repoed it. I don't know who it was, the police or something. I don't know if it had something to do with VIN swap or whatever, but the car's not here. So we're gonna resume today with today's video. Alright, we're rolling.
What's up, guys? Mustang is back. Thanks to Tranny.
Oh yeah, what'd you do to it? Clutch? Upgraded the clutch, upgraded flywheel.
As you can tell, it looks a little different.
Oh, what'd you do to it?
I did a lot of things. Total price with everything was about $1,000.
Dang, but it came with everything that you needed. Starting off with the wheels.
Starting off with the wheels, the PP1, 2, whatever the hell they are, brakes. The wheels I meant. And then we got the Brembo brakes, full, all four.
All
Rollers,
around?
brakes, all that. Even came with the new brake lines. I don't know what. He just tossed them in there.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
All right, moving on.
Transmission, not an OEM transmission.
What is it? 256?
It's a full billet transmission. The MT82 billet, whatever it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can see you got new interior for it.
Yes. Door panels, full interior, Ricardo buckets.
What'd you pay for the buckets?
$250.
Nuh-uh.
$250.
And
ATL.
ATL, wow.
ATL.
250 is unheard of.
Then hold on, let's show them the digital dash here. Also, so we got the new leather dash right here.
Oh, you got the stitch dash?
Leather
Did you
dash.
just get it redone at the upholstery shop?
Redone it, yes.
Yep.
Have it here, have it here.
Oh man, what kind of exhaust you got on there?
Exhaust, I'm not too sure actually.
What about the tails?
The new rear Euro tails here.
Euro tails with the smoke inserts?
Tails, yeah.
Pretty good, pretty good.
These were about like $80.
80?
That's a lot, RTR grill.
Is that wired up or no?
It is wired up. Let's
Turn it on.
Let's show 'em.
Turn it on.
Are they on?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow, you actually did the work and wired it, or you paid the fob?
I paid the fob actually.
Oh, you paid the Asian?
No, he's actually straight from Dagestan. Dagestan, no idea. He just came here off a plane. I'm like, and I got him.
Hey, but dude, happy to say this thing looks really good. Are we gonna be seeing more stuff on your channel?
We're gonna be seeing a lot more stuff with this car. We're gonna be drifting it, whipping it, all that sort of stuff.
Whip. All right, guys, tell them the news.
All you do is subscribe.
All you do is subscribe down
You get
below.
5 entries to win this thing. We're just out here trying to have fun, you know, make others happy, make us happy. So that's why we're giving away this brand new Mustang here. All right, to win this thing, brand new Mustang, all you gotta do is subscribe. You get 5 entries and also $1,000 in cash. We're still small here, so the more subscribers we get, the more likes we get, the better the cars get, and the more cash prize there will be to win.
All right, guys, so thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the subscribe button down below. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see the next video coming soon, subscribe down below, hit the like button, show us some love, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and peace.
Get your business up and running with